hear a woodpecker. I can't see him. But it sounds like he's on one of these 3 big trees. I dated this guy one time, and he told me, this is the nectarine tree. And look, it has some starts on it. So I'm hoping there'll be nectarines. There was no nectarines last year. Oh, maybe he's down here. I can hear him knocking. Anyway, I was dating this guy once, and we had a woodpecker in our yard, and he's like, here, let me show you something. This is an apple tree, and there's some starts on that. No, he's over here. Oh, there he is. Anyway, he told me, he's like, here, take this rock and knock on this tree. So I took this little rock and I knocked on the tree. This is blooming big time. I think this one might be an apple tree too. Ooh, it's noisy out today. And, oh, look at that one. Do you see right below that branch right there? Right there. There's a big old hole in there. A bird must live in there. Anyway, he said, knock on the tree. And so I knocked on the tree with this little rock. And that woodpecker came like running down the tree like a squirrel. And stood there and he just stared at me like he gave me the evil eye, like, who do you think you are knocking on my tree? And I was like, oh my goodness, it was the funniest thing. It was actually a really cool thing to learn. Man, I hope my daughter's window's open.